Bird and Kip, Episode 2, Bird's New Neighbor. Bird did not like having a neighbor. Kip was loud, and he dropped acorns.
I need a break,
said Bird.
I think I'll go to the beach.
Bird walked in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack.
I love the beach,
she said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky.
Oh no!
said Bird.
That hawk will eat me!
Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home.
I saw a big hawk,
said Bird.
Oh no,
said Kip.
I don't like hawks. Where was it? It was at the beach,
said Bird.
Will it come here?
asked Kip.
I don't think so,
said Bird.
This tree is a very safe place.
Crash, bonk, boom, said Kip.
We are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight.